This will be Psalm titles number 4, and we are going to take this turtle book, which we had before, and we talked a great deal about how it puts the Psalms together and many, many things. But today, now we're going to be much more specific. We're going to go to a specific Psalm, in this case, Psalm number 44. And of course, we will use this book with it. But we are also going to use this huge Bullinger Companion Bible, because what Turtle did with the titles of the Psalms is what Bullinger did once he learned from Turtle. What this means is that the top title of a Psalm really should be the bottom subtitle of the previous Psalm. Those are the mistakes that copyists who have made with the Psalms. So in this one, when we go specifically to Psalm 44, what we will find here, now for example, there's Psalm 44, and of course one has to read the Psalm after you hear about this to understand it, but Psalm 44 is called a Psalm of the son of Korah, Korah, a mashkal, which means an instruction. But when you get all the way to the bottom of it, it says, and this is actually the subtitle, to the chief musician set to Shoshannim, and then he has a little note to the side that is lilies. Now, what the heck is that about lilies? So we will read a tiny bit of that because it'll take too long if we go through it. But this is why Turtle is so good with this. It says in the beginning, this musical title should read concerning or relating to blah blah equals lilies. A term recalls the spring festival Passover, which commemorated the goodness and the power of God in the redemption of Israel from Egypt and bringing the tribes into the holy or promised land. Now we will stop here and continue shortly.